Hey there, curious minds. Ever wondered why your body suddenly goes hic out of nowhere? Let's dive into the funny truth about hiccups. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, a muscle that helps you breathe, decides to throw a little party. But sometimes it gets a bit too excited, especially when you eat too fast, drink something fizzy, or even get a big surprise. When your diaphragm starts jumping around like it's on a trampoline, it makes you take a quick breath that closes your vocal cords, resulting in that funny hic sound. Whether you're guzzling down soda or laughing at a funny joke, hiccups can sneak up on you when you least expect it. People have all sorts of tricks to stop hiccups, but most of the time, they just go away on their own. So next time you get a case of the hiccups, just laugh it off and wait for the party to end. Thanks for joining our hiccup adventure. Remember to like, subscribe, and keep exploring the funny side of science with us.